Honey, water!
Ciao, basta, everyone out! Stop! Darjeeling!
Everybody out!
Hey, quit playing around! Yeah.
Working with the kids was one of the most enjoyable and inspiring things. They come from a variety of backgrounds, they're always smiling, they're always enthusiastic, and they were just a joy to work with.
Circus for me is a safe space to, of course, have a lot of fun, but also to be very serious, to tell a story, and to learn about myself a lot, to learn how to motivate myself. And it's a non-competitive way to come together with other persons and make art. That is probably what I like most.
I think circus is a really empowering thing to teach kids. There's lots of different disciplines, which means most kids can find something that they feel accomplished at doing, and because it's a really visual and physical thing, it's good for us to teach kids even if there's no shared language, and it also means the kids are really good at teaching each other and sharing skills.
I felt really needed in those places because I was able to teach the children how to pass 7 clubs and to do extra Diablo skills and opportunities that they just wouldn't have if we weren't there. So I'd you know, from the beginners to the very advanced children, they all really positively respond to the circus skills that we teach, and yeah, it's just great seeing the smiles on their faces.
Чубчик, чубчикай, чубчику черевий, який розвивайся, чубчик по вітру. Раніше чубчик я тебе любив.
Namaste, the PWB2 give me a lot of different things. I coming here first for give and find a lot of smile. I think it's good job because everybody is a lot smiling here. PWB tour changed my life also, and I think now I have more projects in my head. and it's very, very nice to have a different approaches for teach circus.
Чубчику черевий, який не розвивайся, чубчик по вітру. Раніше чубчик я тебя любила, но а теперь забыть я не могу. Раньше чубчик я тебя любила, но а теперь забыть я не могу. Па! Shabba-dabba-da, yeah. Shabba-dabba-da, yeah. Shabba-dabba-da, yeah. Пройдет зима, настанет лето. В саду деревья вечно расцветут. А мне беда-да-да-бедному мальчонок, их цепями ручки до ножки закуют. А мне цепями руки до ножки закуют. Давай же, давай.